Last Thursday, I suffered a severe headache and took some pain reliever to ease the pain. However, until evening, it does not. My daughter decided to bring me to Silman University Medical Center for check-up and found out that my blood pressure was too high, and that is 170/90. So they let me stay for a while to be observed and give some medications to lower my blood pressure. Until 3 a.m., my blood pressure lowered to 130/80. The attending nurse gave me an IV or hip lock to ease the pain. When I went home, the pain still there, and by Friday, so until Saturday, I could not manage, wherein I suffered again the severe pain, and it reached to the point that I could hardly cope up, and I don't know what to do. So yesterday, there was a whisper in my heart that I need to reach out to someone who is a man of God. And the person that comes to my mind is you. Because I know that you are full of the Holy Spirit and has a healing touch. And after putting my hands to my head where the pain is for 20 minutes, the pain slowly subsides. Thank you, Pastor Edward, for healing me, for you are truly a man of God, and most especially to God, because I believe that He is my great doctor. Thank you so much, and to God be all the glory.